What's up, everybody? So, as you can see behind me, that is snow. And it snowed quite a bit out here, and I'm just going to show you. Right now I'm trying to track the other half of my family here. They're easy to find because there's shoe prints and hoof prints, I think. This does not happen very often out here. And when it does, all of us desert rats like to pull our cameras out and show everybody that it does snow here. Not very often, but it does. That's beautiful. That cool. Hey, lady.